Riding my scooter in San Francisco. I'm on Sutter Street. Just randomly crossing the street. Wind blowing. There's HitFit, my boxing gym. Going to my old boxing gym. HitFit.
Next week, right? I know when you leave. I'm going to Nevada. I'm going to Nevada for the fight. As long as you say you went out there, you turned up, that's all I got. I got canceled. It'll be a good time. As much champagne as I can do. All the fights with the bras and the champagne, like, you know how we do in Nevada. You know how we do in Nevada. What happens in Vegas? Names, man. I ain't dropping no names, man. I ain't dropping no names. Oh, man. We sure know how it's done. Fucking enjoy the goddamn weekend. I'll see you Monday. Make sure you have a safe trip. That's true. I gotta make it back. That's been 2 years?
Yeah, before the pandemic.
How you doing?
Yeah. So I see on Instagram like you've been fighting, huh?
That's crazy.
Thank you.
How'd you like it? First class,
Good.
right?
Yeah, first one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, all the time.
Oh! You came on the right day because, you know, it was a deep day.
Yeah.
And they were kind of somewhat tired on Monday.
Okay, all right. Can you see a little bit with the...
Appreciate it. Yeah, we had to go a little bit easy today because they're making the workouts look easy. But Monday, it's going to be back to so many combos again to where partner drills, you're like, man, I like making it confusing and hard at the same time. So you'll get stuck a little bit, you're like, wait. And then you're like, dude, this is so simple, how am I messing up?
Yeah.
That's always my goal.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a good
one. Can't wait till Monday.
I'll be ready.
Yeah. Enjoy
So-
the weekend.
So you teach classes here now?
Yes, I've been teaching now. I've been Thursday for sure, but he's going to Hawaii.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh okay.
You know, Hank loves surfing, so
Yeah. I went to Hawaii with him once, like in 2015, when I was training with
That
him.
boy probably
Yeah,
get
he
off
has
the beach,
family
huh?
there. Yeah. He's like a beach bum.
I'm like, dude, you only going out there for the surfing? He's like, nah, I'm gonna go out there and work somebody out, but then
Right.
welcome back, man. Jesus, man. You just
Where are you hiding that one, man? Well, like, it would be time to take a break, and then be like, talk 30 seconds, and he's like, all right, let's get back to it. I'm like, shit, man. Fuck, I need some water.
y'all in so much shape. Y'all don't know how much y'all been pushing to where y'all think y'all be tired. How do y'all feel now? Look. It's crazy, ain't it? You feel like you work, but then you like, I don't think I really worked out. I did.
Yeah.
Today, you're Friday, you're